In January, many of us experience renewed interest in achieving a healthy lifestyle. And right after New Year's, you can't escape the idea because of your newsfeed and media outlets going crazy with the latest fad diets, new meals, new meal planning, exercising and healthy New Year's resolutions from everyone. Unfortunately, less than half of Americans who start out the year with health-conscious resolutions actually achieve them. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dan Daily. Today we're going to go over how exercising can actually be financially good for you, and obviously the benefits of exercising itself. If exercise is a priority for you, you'll need to find something that motivates you and pushes you through that January 31st deadline. If you're able to make it through that date, you will be able to consistently exercise throughout the year. Most Americans fall off after the 31st of January. Now, to be able to motivate yourself, you have to understand some of the benefits to it. There's obviously physical benefits as well as financial benefits too. Benefits to the body. Many people associate exercise solely with weight control. Of course, when you exercise, you burn calories, which definitely helps prevent excess weight gain or maintain weight loss. But regularly hitting the gym or doing cardio outdoors, for example, is important for your overall health, even if your weight is not an issue. Being active boosts good cholesterol and fights unhealthy triglycerides. And physical activity can help you manage or even prevent conditions such as stroke, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and heart disease, according to the Mayo Clinic. In addition to this, benefits to your body, your mind will get a boost as well. One of the most common mental benefits of working out is being able to better manage stress. That's because as you work out, norepinephrine is released by your central nervous system, and it moderates the brain's response to stress. Your brain also releases endorphins when you work up a sweat. That chemical is responsible for creating feelings of happiness and euphoria. The link between the two is so strong that many doctors actually recommend that people suffering from clinical depression or anxiety make time for exercise. Now, onto the fun and financial benefits of exercising. The World Health Organization, or WHO, found that physically active people actually save about $500 on healthcare expenses per year. People who are in shape tend to get sick less often and are less likely to suffer from chronic disease. And many apps are currently available on the market that can help you motivate you to exercise. A phone app that pays out money to people that reach their fitness or healthy eating goals. Pact reports that users of their program have a 92% success rate. The rewards range from anywhere from 30 cents to $5 per week. Other popular apps that pay out cash for exercise include Healthy Wage and DietBet. Not a bad way to earn money. Health insurance companies have also started offering financial incentives over the years for exercising. For example, in some programs, employees who log their workouts can actually earn up to $120 per year. Exercising can not only make you live longer and stay healthier, but thanks to these awesome apps that people created, you can also earn cash for it to be healthy. What more can you ask for? So the next time you're deciding whether or not you should go to the gym or not, think about if it'll benefit you in your health and your wallet. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos. It would mean a lot to me, and if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. I do look at all my comments, and I do respond back. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Dan Daily.